Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share files on Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Google Chat application on your mobile phone, or if you don't have the Google Chat application installed on your mobile phone, you can open up the Google Chat from your Gmail. Here I'm just going to open up Google Chat from my Gmail because I haven't installed the Google Chat. Okay, go to the Gmail and I'm going to enable the Google Chat. Wait, I'm going to go to the Gmail setting. We can click on these three lines to open up the setting. Okay, I'm going to select the settings menu. And since I have logged into multiple accounts on my phone, I need to select one of the Google accounts. And I'm going to choose this one, guys. Okay, I'm going to enable chat on my Gmail. Okay, if we want to enable the Google Chat, we can click on the checkbox like this. And after the Google Chat has been enabled, we can go to the chat menu. Just click on this icon to open up the Google Chat. Okay, and these are my Google Chat list, and I'm going to select one of them. Then I'm going to show you how we can share our files on the Google Chat. For example, I'm going to share my files to this account. So I'm going to tap on the account and then I'm going to share file. We can click on this plus icon and then we can choose the type of the file we want to share. We can share photos, GIF, or another file. I'm going to select files. Okay, and then for instance, I'm just going to share my PDF file. I'm going to select this one, guys. Okay, and now the file is being shared to this account, and this is the result. Okay, now it's done, guys. And I'm going to show you how we can share files to our group chat on Google Chat. I'm going to open up my Google Chat and then the step is the same. We just need to click on the plus icon and then we can select files and we can choose the file you want to share to your group chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share files on Google Chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys.